Lecture number 7. Let us continue with the method of preparation. Now, it's a new method. It's a very simple method. It is from a terminal geminal dihalide. Every one of you know what is the geminal dihalide. Remember? Gem, same, alkylidene, ethylidene. Gem, same, alkylidene, ethylidene. Matlab the two halides present on the same carbon, that is called as a geminal. So what is this? This is a terminal geminal dihalide. The very first question, why terminal? Because the aldehyde group is present always on the end. So it is a terminal geminal dihalide. See, try to understand and see to it that every one of you have to score good marks in this exam. Is that clear? Otherwise, I have to take strict action against you. So, prepare it well. Now, coming back to the method of preparation. So, what is it called as? It is called as a terminal geminal dihalide when reacted with KOH. अभी वो KOH कैसा है? It is aqueous in nature. Why it is aqueous in nature? Because if it is alcoholic, if you remember 11th standard, the products remain same. The products, they remain same. So you cannot take alcoholic as if I take aqueous, the products would be different. If it is alcoholic, the products would remain same. Is that clear? Now, so what do I get? I get an unstable diol. Diol, the OH, diol. Why is it unstable? Because the two OH present on the same carbon makes the structure unstable. As it is unstable, immediate removal of water converted to an aldehyde. I think you have understood the method of preparation. I have taken an example for the same. See, now like मुझे अगर prepare करने का है ethanol. What will you do? You know, अभी ये ethanol है ना, तो just compare with the general reaction. See, general reaction to understand is important. What is the difference in the two? R is replaced by CH3. What you are supposed to do? Just replace R by CH3, you will get the answer. Halides are immaterial. Whether you are taking chlorine or bromine, that is immaterial. But it should be what matters. Like whatever, whichever product I want, I'll use the reactant accordingly. So it matters over there. And aqueous, it should be important. Alcoholic लिए तो अंडा मिलेगा, 0 marks मिलेंगे because they cannot be distinguished on the basis of alcoholic KOH. The products remain same. Alkyne का method of preparation 11th standard, go through it. So अगर मुझे इथेनॉल चाहिए, I will be using 1,1-dichloroethane. मुझे प्रोपेनॉल चाहिए, I will use 1,1-dichloropropane. मुझे ब्यूटेनॉल चाहिए, I will use 1,1-dichlorobutane. So this is a method by which you will get an aldehyde. Same method से मुझे अगर कीटोन बनाने का है, then what am I supposed to prepare? I am supposed to prepare a ketone. So when I am asked to prepare a ketone, the only thing what will I do is, ये जो H है ना, aldehyde and ketone में क्या difference है? Aldehyde में H है, ketone में R है. So this H is replaced by R. See, that is what I have done. So I tell you that you write in the partition wise form. So you can compare the method of preparations and you can come to know what is the difference in the two methods. So if it is a ketone, what you will use is a non-terminal geminal dihalide. Why non-terminal? Because the ketonic group is never at the end. It is always in the middle. So it should be a non-terminal geminal dihalide. Baki method of preparation is same. You are getting unstable diol, removal of water, converted to ketone. Same thing, मुझे propanone चाहिए. So what will I do is, I'll substitute. See, वो जो general reaction है, propanone is this. Just substitute in the general reaction, you will get the answer. Like for example, मुझे butanone चाहिए. What will I do? Butanone. See, जहाँ पे carbonyl group है, वहाँ पे दो halides attached होंगे. That would be the answer. मतलब, if I want to prepare butanone, the reactant will be 2,2-dihalobutane. If I want to prepare pentan 2-one, 2,2-dihalopentane. If I want to prepare pentan 3-one, 3,3-dihalopentane. This concept should be very clear in your mind to understand the method of preparation. So that is the third method by which I can prepare the aldehydes as well as ketone. In the next lecture, we proceed with the next method.